peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous.
In today's video, we're going to unbox and put together our new kayak.
So let's get to it. The kayak we went with was an inflatable Excursion Pro kayak. It is 12 feet and 7 inches by 3 feet and 1 inch. The weight capacity is 400 pounds. It comes with 2 paddles, 2 adjustable seats, 2 integrated fishing rod holders, 2 skegs, a booster, and a pump. So now that we finished putting this kayak together, let's go try it out on the marina.
So Megan, what do you think?
It's really cool.
What are kind of the nuances of this thing?
It didn't tell us how much to fill it up, did it?
It was really, the instructions weren't really well written, I would say, but also these chairs don't really, it's just like a piece of Velcro sticking it to the bottom and then these straps to hold the back up. And it does hold you up pretty well here, but when there's no one sitting on the chair, it pulls up from the bottom, the Velcro. So, I don't know. Not really terrible because you sit on it, right? But it just doesn't stick on very well. But it floats, that's important.
It fits like 2 people, so that's good.
Yep, so I don't have to go in a kayak all alone.
Yeah.
That's nice, and you don't have to go in a kayak all alone. Kind of neat being in a little boat, huh?
Yeah. It's a little bit more like supportive than our paddleboard. If you saw from our Pro Bay video. But yeah, I think it's really nice. And then like there's 2 seats. So it's not just sitting on a board, it's like actual seats that are like padded. So that's pretty nice.
Yep.
So I really hope you liked this video and found it either entertaining or helpful. And yeah, I really like it. Do you?
I like it too.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you're reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.